Hello dear subscribers, today I'm gonna make educational video how to remove crankshaft pulley on any vehicle. 99% you will remove it that way. Today I'm trying to replace all the timing belt kit on that it's Suzuki Carry, but it's Mazda Scrum. It's same. So I tried all my tools, none of them. Not this one, not this big one, couldn't do it. I mean, I got huge one right here. Sometime I use that, but that will just destroy my tools usually. That's a huge for semi trucks. So what do? You put your wrench right there and find the spot where it's gonna, let's see, yeah, you see I put it on the frame, so it's went to the frame, and then just to go and crank your starter. But each time you crank after that, if it didn't release, make sure make sure the socket is staying properly. And sometimes you need to give a little hard to get from here, let's see, sometimes you need to make like a little space and then crank it, and it will rip it off. So it did this time, not this time, multiple times I've done it already. And that's it. Now another thing, the gentleman from Murfreesboro bought it, and when we was test driving it started shake violently, like after 85 kilometers, 85, 90, that's just went like crazy. And the Suzuki Carry got common problem. It's this unit, whatever you call it, right there. I put brand new one here. So the bushing's getting bad here, one thing, and then your tie rod ends going bad. So I put brand new everywhere. Always mark it. I mean, you don't have to, but I always mark it passenger side and driver side. I marked it on the top. And so after I replace all the tie rods ends and this main thing, the shaking disappeared. But now this thing costs like 160 to 150 bucks, depends where you're buying it from. But you always can buy just the bushing inside, 50 bucks. But you have to press it in or something. Here the old one is all gooey mooey, and all the tire rods, they wasn't bad, but they all dingling mingling compared to the new one. And same problem, I got call from the guy, he bought Nissan Elgrand, and somehow I end up didn't check at it on the high speed. So I was driving it like 100 kilometers, everything was fine. Then he called me from Alabama. He said when he go like 120, it starts shaking violently also, yeah. So I want him bring it back, hopefully he'll bring it back soon. And on that Nissan Elgrand I'll replace same thing, all the tie rods ends, and then I'll check the ball joint, I believe that underneath. And then also Elgrand got more stuff, some bars, I don't know the name of that bars, but those bushings or the bars needs to be replaced also. So simple. If you any vehicle, any mini truck or any vehicle you want to take crankshaft pulley, that's the hardest part usually when you're doing timing belt kit. Just use the starter, ting ting, and done. Okay, nice truck. It's gonna be done today. I got appointment for alignment. I did alignment. I just got me tools too for alignment, but still they got better tools there on the shop, and I'm gonna go take it there. Here's my another toy. Now I can do, I did show it in another video, but I also bought some more stuff. That in Amazon you can buy it. If you buy tire dismount, manual tire dismounter in Tractor Supply, go to Amazon and order that thing also. This comes with a bunch of stuff there. That makes your life a lot easier, yeah, because on the weekends nobody works and I can do my tires now. Yeah, life is good. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. What else I should show? I think that's it. Hey, back to work. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Starter. Put your tool, crank it, and you're done. Have a great day.